1954 Buick Century 4-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This car's actually been with the same family for over the last 20 years. Underneath the hood, 322 cubic inch nailhead V8 or Fireball V8. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Should be a Dynaflow automatic transmission to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up on the front of this one. Now, as you can see, bumper does show its age a little bit. Grill, headlight bezel, surrounds. And then you can see the paint in the front of the bumper. That is bubbling some there. There may be a chip or a nick here or there. This is one of those cars you can get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Give a little bit of TLC, a little bit of care. Maybe take to the next level. And we'll go over some more of that in the rest of this video. But first of all, I want you to know where to see all the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Check out those Buick hubcaps. Steel wheels, Coker Classic wide white wall radials. Those are showing their age a little bit. Technician did note 2002 date code on those. So those are still getting up there in age, decent shape, but getting there in age. All right, up and down this passenger side. And again, as far as the paint, there may be a little nick, a little scratch here or there, but overall paint has a nice shine to it. White top, side glass, a couple cracks back here. I believe I've seen one in the windshield too. We'll get around to that here in a bit. Spot down here. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. All right, a few notes from the technician on this one so you're aware of some things. Said the brakes are like new. There is a slight pull in braking. Carter carburetor on it. Stereo does work. It's just an older one. It's one of those you gotta let warm up. Stereo does work. It could use brake hoses in the future. Sooner than later. It does have some powertrain weeps, common on an older engine that's driven. Front sway bar bushings and both links are bad. So you want to think about replacing those in the future. Washer was in op, and I mentioned tire age. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these classic Buicks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Boy, that bright work going down the midsection and lowering on the rear door. Definitely a nice shape. And again, paint has a decent shine to it. It's just, there's a few imperfections here or there and around it. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Like I said, a little TLC down the road. Your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows would be a fun one for doing that. And you can do it without breaking the bank. And look at how nice this interior is. Doesn't look like anything would be needed to be done on the interior. To definitely enjoy it. And lots of the times when I announce items that may need care or attention, something to fix on these cars, it's due to the fact these cars are here on consignment and they're priced accordingly, and the next owner has the choice if they want us to work up a bid or do a service work on them. We can, if they want to get it. Maybe they're kind of a shade tree mechanic or know a buddy that'll help them out with it. They can do it at their own location. That's fine too. That's why we announce these things. Get a lot of comments sometimes down in the comment section below the videos asking, hey, how come this wasn't fixed? How come that wasn't? Well, now you kind of know. All right, one of my favorite things about these Buicks, let's go ahead and turn this key on position, and we're going to go ahead and start it by pushing the foot feet. My favorite. Favorite ways to start a car is on the majority of these older Buicks.
One of the things that really stands out.
And there we go. I left the radio on so that would warm up. You can hear it work.
And we're not to the end of May yet. Wow. 11 different players, which means he's not going to just lock in on one guy and go.
Looks like oil pressure gauge came up. Temp gauge is down. That was cold start, amp meter, and gas. Appears the gauges are working. Dash looking good. Like I said, I don't think there's anything you need to do to the interior of this car. Let's slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Door closes nicely. Give you an idea how it sounds. Again, that nail head. The V8. Let's go ahead. Let's get this hood open. And there's a little dinger up on the top here. Fuel, SCUS. Let's take a look underneath the hood. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Engine bay. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. There it is, 322 V8. If you want to do any decoding, the body or cowl tag will be in the still pictures as well as the VIN tag. Running pretty smooth. '54 Buick Century 4-door sedan. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus!
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1954 Buick Century in a beautiful metallic green with green inside as well. The seats, the headlining, the door panels, all beautiful, like possibly even restored condition. The original Sonomatic radio does work, picking up AM stations. The blower motor's blowing air right now. The wiper's also functional. Horn also functional. Now that person thinks I know them and I was saying hi. Very smooth running Buick, as a lot of them are. Luxurious in the corners. Look at that hood ornament. Very cool styling. The styling of the 50s. These controls here kind of look like they're right out of an aircraft. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive for anybody. Plenty of room for passengers in the rear or front seat. Fold down armrest in the back as well. Just a smooth riding 54 Buick ready for the road. Find all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.